Okay. Hi colleagues, hi friends. Now today we're doing a second lesson on Chemutengure, and so in the first lesson we said what you do is you choose a Mbira part, that you're comfortable with, and this is what I've chosen. This Kutsinera part, and then you identify where you're going to start your singing. Dun, 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 dun. And once you identify that space, that's where you place the word Chemutengure. Chemutengure, Chemutengure, Chemutengure mai, Chemutengure, Chemutengure viri rengoro, oye, oye. And you extend with the lyrics that I gave, regarding the driver of the wagon and his wife and them using grease, as peanut butter and lotion. Now, so the second part that we're going to do today, so Chemutengure is a sweet song which has a call and a response. In other words, to make it fun. If you are playing to a group of people, small or large, you quickly teach them. If you go Chemutengure, and then it is the audience that responds, WOYE-E-E-E-E, Chemutengure. So it is a call and a response. And we want to extend that call and response, with specific lyrics regarding work. Now, so in the historical context is that, work as in professional work, employment, came with colonialism, and it is these drivers of the wagons that were employed by the colonial farmers, miners. So this part of the song, after you've done Chemutengure, and you've sung about the driver, then the next phase of the song, the next set of the lyrics, just generally refer to work. And we're going to do two questions. And one is, UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, where do you work? And we are taking this word, UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, to fit exactly in the time space where we're doing Chemutengure. But it is a question, where do you work? And then you can ask the question, a few times, 3-4 times, before moving to answering it. But once you start answering it, you can lock the song there, and then the traditional lyrics. If people are recording the song for 5 minutes, they just ask it once or twice, and then answer ndosenza GWELO, ndosenza PAPURAZI, and then move on to the other lyrics. But if you have time, this is a song to while up time, you lock the song there so that everyone in the room can get a chance to answer. Or you can use it, to go city by city, the cities in Zimbabwe. Ndosevenza GWELO, ndosevenza KWEKWE, ndosevenza kwaMutare, and then you can spend some 5 minutes there. But the important thing is we are going to fit in that question, UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, exactly where we were singing Chemutengure, and then we start answering it. So that's one question. And then the second question is an interesting one, is how much do you earn? UNOTAMBIRA mari. And you ask that again 3 or 4 times, and it's a difficult question even today, because we don't ask people their salaries. But when finally the answer comes, the answer is ndotambira chishanu, is 50 cents, 5 shillings, and those were the salaries per month. 50 cents, 5 shillings, and then the song locks there. That 50 cents is too little. 50 cents is a small amount of money. 50 cents, just doesn't even cover the hat tax or the dog tax. But that's the explanation of the lyrics. So let me do it. Chemutengure. So in that space where we're singing Chemutengure, UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, yeah, oh yeah. UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E-E, oh yeah, oh yeah. UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E-E, oh iwe woye ndinosevenza papurazi woye ndinosevenza gweru woye ndinosevenza kwekwe woye ndinosevenza katuma woye ndinosevenza chigwedere woye ndinosevenza chinoi woye ini kukaroi woye ini kukariba woye kwangu kushamba woye ndakananga bindura woye ndodzoka kwamurewa woye ndopota kumarondera woye ndakananga kwarusape woye ndonzvenga nekunyanga woye ndodzoka mamutare woye kwedu chimanimani woye kwedu kuchipinge woye ndodzoka nekuchivhu woye ndopinda mugutu woye zvakajerera woye bhikita kwanyika woye. And so what I'm doing, I just asked one question: where do you work? You could even ask the question as UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, where do you come from? And you giving the space for everyone in the audience to answer. I come from KWEKWE, I come from Gatuma, I'm from Zhishavane, I'm from HWANGE, and so you can lock it. You know, it is a simple thing, but you're asking everybody a question, and they have to respond. But the traditional lyrics were, where do you work? UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, and then the answer. I work on a farm. I work in GWELO. I work in KWEKWE. That's the first part of the lyrics. And then the second part, in that time space where you're doing Chemutengure or UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, then you ask the question, UNOTAMBIRA mari, how much do you earn? And that's a difficult question, and so people refuse to answer initially, and you ask and you ask and you ask until the answer comes that I earn 50 cents. And then the rest of the song is 50 cents is too little. I'm dying for 50 cents. I've broken my back, and 50 cents is just dog tax. So let's get to that part. No tambira mari, oh yeah. No tambira mari, oh yeah. No tambira mari, oh yeah. UNOTAMBIRA mari, unde mambo wangu, UNOTAMBIRA mari, oye, ndinotambira chishanu, oye, ndinotambira chishanu, oye, chishanu imari shoma, unde mambo wangu, chishanu imari shoma, unde imari shoma, chishanu imari doko, unde imari doko, chishanu mtero wembwa, unde mtero wembwa, chishanu mtero wembwa, unde mtero wembwa, chishanu imari shoma, unde imari shoma, chishanu imari shoma, unde imari shoma, chishanu mtero wembwa, unde mtero wembwa, mohire shanu, oye, ndadambuka musana, unde mambo wangu, ndasodogoka ugoi, unde mambo wangu, tireshanu unde mambo wangu mjishanu imari shomai unde mambo wangu mjishanu imari shomai unde wangu inoreye unde imari shomai oreye unde imari shomai shanu mtero wembani unde mtero wembani. All right, that's it. So we were extending the Chemutengure. The initial part was Chemutengure, Virirengoro, the movement of the wheels, and then you say something about the driver. And then the second part is asking where do you work, and you can lock the song there and let everybody answer where they work. And then the third part, it's applicable to now, how much do you earn? And we all are or feel underpaid, and you answer 50 cents. And then the rest of the song is bemoaning that 50 cents. It's too little. I've injured my back. I'm dying for 50 cents. But you hold the song on a slower tempo and you let it roll and you enjoy the singing. You let the audience participate doing the oh yeah, or doing the answering of the questions. Now, if you are recording or when people record, then they squeeze, the way they sing so that when you ask the question, the answer comes immediately rather than wait for the next cycle. So that's where they do. UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, NDINOSEVENZA GWELO, UNOSEVE-E-E-E-E, PAPURAZI. So you are not waiting for UNOSEVENZA-E-E-E-E-E, UNOSEVENZA PAPURAZI. You doing in a whole cycle, but if you want to squeeze things, UNOSEVENZA-E-E-E, then you immediately answer. Ndosevenza gwero unotambira mari ndotambira chishanu. It is that comes from the pressure of trying to do a 5-minute recording. But if you're just playing to an audience and you have your time 15-20 minutes, you ask and everybody answers where they come from, where they work, and then once you get to the money, you let people tell their stories about how they are suffering for the small pay they get. So Chemutengure is sweet. I'll end here. Chemutengure is sweet is one of those songs where you can participate with the audience and play for a long time. I will give a link. I did the performance. I lived in China 2017 to 2018. And there was a festival that happened there. I think it was, January or February 2018. And I was asked to perform, so I performed Chemutengure. It's not the best recording, but I did the performance. And I did a performance to people who didn't know the song, who didn't know the Mbira, but played Chemutengure, showed them where to put in some lyrics or say whatever they wanted. And I'll give a link, just to show how the audience can get to participate. Even people who've never heard the song, who don't know the song, how people can get to participate, in Chemutengure. And so Chemutengure, you have to keep it as one of the more important songs, whether you're going to sing it yourself or perform to a small group or even a larger group. But for the singing lessons, we end it here. Thank you.